If you use ShadCN and looking to build an e-commerce website, then you should check out my new project CommerCN, which is a collection of ShadCN UI blocks for e-commerce website. And of course, it's completely open source, so all the components you'll see in the website are completely free. Make sure to leave a star if you like the project. So let's check it out and see how you can use this in your own project. Browse blocks, and here on the left you will see the list of available UI blocks. We have cards, orders, product details, products, reviews. Some of them are in progress and will be live soon. And here you can see the preview of the component, and on top you have the installation command, so you can install this UI block using ShadCN registry. Let's check out some other ones like card 2, which is very similar but with some different style. And as I add more and more variant in future, you might see shopping chart number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on, right? So let's check out next one, order. This block is suitable when you want to show your customers their previous orders. So it has all the ordered product item, their quantity, price, total price, and some other shipment status. Before going to product detail, let's see some of the product cards. This one is card 1, which has your classic product title, description, image, and price. We have card 2, which looks a little more unique, and card 3, which has a little retro vibe. This one has a variant option, so you just can switch between different variants. Now we can see the product detail page, which currently I only have one variant. So here you can see some more information about the product. I have a carousel over here to switch between the images, the product title, category, prices, the option for switching between sizes, and of course quantity. And all the blocks support both light and dark mode. So if you switch to dark mode from here, this should look fine. And of course it's also responsive, so even if it's on mobile screen, it should look good. Alright, now let's see how you can use this in your own project. So if you have a React or Next.js project, you can just copy this command into your project, and it should copy the code into your code base. But if you don't have a project, that's also fine. Just copy this, go to terminal, let's go to a different folder. Yeah, so I'll paste it here, and this will create a new ShadCN and Next.js project. Let's select 16, CommerCN example. Next you can pick your theme. I'll go with natural, and it's done. So let's open this up. Now here you can see a basic Next.js app, and in the components you can see there's CommerCN, and inside charts we have chart 1, and you have all the code for the chart component here. I am getting a couple of errors here because ShadCN button and cart components are missing. In future I will improve this, so all the dependencies get auto installed, but for now you can just manually install all the ShadCN components, button and card. And once they are installed, these errors should go away. And also let's remove these unused imports. Great, so now we can go to our page. Let's remove all this and import the shopping cart. Now let's run the application. npm run dev localhost 3000, and there you go. You have your e-commerce cart ready. You have the option to change the quantity from here, and this also changes the price. Works exactly like the one you saw over here, and customizing this is also super easy. So we can just go to codebase and see some of the codes. So here in the shopping cart you can see for the background we used bg muted. So if you just go to your global css and inside your muted variable, which is here, and change this to a different color, like a reddish, I guess. Save this and it will change the card color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any feedback, what other next components I can add, and if you also want to contribute, please feel free. Just go to the GitHub repository and open up an issue of any components or changes you want to do, and I'll look into it. Alright, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe if you did, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.